Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best email tips that you can use to convert more leads into sales for your online business. Hey, what's up, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing the best email marketing tips that you can use to convert more leads into sales for your online business. But before I get into that, I just first want to welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. And if you're new here, I invite you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online. And also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So with that being said, let me just get right into it. So when it comes to email marketing and getting more sales and having an effective strategy that is going to grow your online business, it all comes down to one word. And that word is value. So this is something that you have to deliver in each one of your emails. And that's the number one tip that I can share with you guys. If you want to convert your leads into sales, you have to make sure that you're delivering value in each one of your emails. If you are receiving the emails that you're sending to your email subscribers, would you take the time to open them up and read them? And if not, then that's something that you need to rethink. But I'll go over more about delivering value later on in this video. But for now, let me just talk about a few other tips. So another tip that you can use into converting more leads into sales through your emails is having a subject line that is going to capture your target audience's attention. You should have a short and simple subject line, but something that's going to make them react and grab their attention. The reason why I say this is because you have to realize that your email subscribers are not just only subscribed to you. They can also be subscribed to dozens or even hundreds of other email autoresponders. So if your subject lines are not short and captivating their attention, they probably won't even see your email. So that's why you have to make sure that your email subject lines are going to capture their attention, so you stand out from everybody else. I mean, some people might call this clickbait, if you will. I mean, whatever is effective. I'm not saying to clickbait your email subscribers, but just have an email subject line that's going to capture their attention. Another tip that I have for you guys is that you should be following the same theme in all of your emails. So this means you should be using the same font in all of your emails. If you're including a picture in your emails, you should stay consistent with that. You should have the same spacing in your emails. And the reason why I say this is because this is due to conditioning. When people see the same consistency in your emails, you start to build up a trust with them. They start to see you as a brand. And this is more effective rather than just creating a whole new template in every email that you send out to them. So the next tip that I have for you guys is that you should be emailing your subscribers every day or every other day. Now I know a lot of people don't really like to do this because they might think that it's bugging their email subscribers. But if your email subscribers are really interested in what you have to say, they're going to open up and read your emails. And this is a good way that you can filter out the bad subscribers from the good ones. So if you see people aren't opening up your emails and reading them, you can just remove them or unsubscribe them from your email list. Because if they're not reading them, then why would you have them on your email list in the first place? So that way you can have more space for people who are really interested in the content that you're providing in your emails. So the next tip that I have for you guys is to go with a good email software service. So just off the top of my head, some good ones are Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, and SendLane. These email software services provide the tools that you need to set up an autoresponder and also broadcast emails to the people on your email list. I'm not too sure about any of the other ones. If there's some that I forgot to mention, you guys can let me know in the comments below. And also, remember to keep your email short and use large font, because you don't want to bore your email subscribers with the whole laundry list, which you call an email, and make sure that they can read it easily. So now that I've covered those tips, let me just go over again about delivering value. If you're just sending out a bunch of emails to your subscribers without delivering any value, then why would they want to buy your product or service? If you're not delivering value, chances are most of them aren't even opening up your emails. So that's why it's important to deliver value, because if you don't, they're just gonna look at your emails as spam. And you don't always want to be promoting your product or service in every single email, because that's how you get people to unsubscribe from your list, because they're just gonna say you're just pushing a product in their face without delivering any value. So a good way to deliver value in your emails is to address a problem that the people in your niche are having, and also provide a solution for it. When you start to do this, you start to build up trust among your email audience. So let's say, for example, you're in the weight loss niche and you're addressing a problem that people are having. So the most common problem that people are having in the weight loss niche is losing weight. So you might want to let them know that you understand how they feel, and maybe you've even been in their shoes before. So you want to focus in on that and deliver value, and then also provide them a solution, which could be a weight loss supplement. So once you do this, you're gonna want to keep on doing this over and over and over again, because when you're consistent with this, that's when you start to build up a larger audience, and people will start to look at you as an authority figure. So once you get to this point, people are gonna start to trust you more, and they're more likely to buy the product or service that you're promoting. So that's pretty much it when it comes to converting more leads into sales using email marketing. So I hope you guys got some value out of this video or learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you're interested in my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description, where you can learn how to make a passive income through email marketing. So that wraps up this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.